Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cakeangel, and today I'm going to show you how to make some edible glue that you can use with fondant. We're going to be using Tylose powder for this, and we're going to make it in a brand new clear nail polish bottle. So I like these because they've already got the brush attached to them, which makes it really easy to use. To start with, I'm going to just add a little bit of that Tylose powder using my Dresden tool, as this is a great size to scoop that into the container. If you don't have one of these, you could just use whatever size of teaspoon you have, or something really small, and then just carefully pop it into the container. Now you'll see straight away that when I put the brush in, it sticks to it, so I'm going to give it a shake, and then I'm just going to let it sit aside for about 30 minutes and it will actually fully dissolve. And then we can use it as glue. Now this isn't a really gloopy glue, it does stay very liquid, but it gives it enough tackiness that it can help put our fondant pieces together. So if you don't have one of those bottles, I'm going to show you how to make one in a small container. You can see I've just done the same thing again. I've added some Tylose powder and I've just added some warm water to it, and then I'm going to start to break it up with my Dresden tool. Again, I'm going to let this sit for a while as you need it to dissolve, and then you'll be able to use it with a paintbrush. So I'm giving it a stir just to start to get that to dissolve a little sooner, and then I'm going to pop the lid on and give it a really good shake before I let it sit to one side. And that's as simple as it is. So as I said, this is really great for using when you're working with fondant. You can attach your pieces together, especially if you're doing work on cakes and you want to stick little fondant decorations to it. Just always make sure when you use this glue that you give it a good shake before you start using it. And as it starts to run low, you can add a little bit more water, a little bit more Tylose to it as well. And that's all you need to do with it. I hope this has been really helpful. Don't forget to check out all the other videos on my channel and subscribe as well if you like this kind of content, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.